Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to use pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Usually we use pivot table to summarize data present in a table. For example, here we have a list of students and the grades they have received in exams. Let's say I want to find out how many number of students got grade A and how many number of students got grade B. I can use pivot table. So to insert a pivot table, you have to click on insert menu and select pivot table option. So it asks us the table range. So you have to select the table from which we want to retrieve data, and there are two options, either new worksheet or existing worksheet. If we select new worksheet, the pivot table will be created in a new worksheet, or if you select existing worksheet, the pivot table will be created in the existing worksheet. So I have created a pivot table. Here I have rows section, column section and value section, and there are field section as well. The fields is nothing but your column names. So I want to find out the number of students who got grade A, grade B and grade C. So I am dragging this grade field into row section. Again I am dragging the grade field into values section. Now we can see that 9 students received grade A and 6 students received grade B and 2 students received grade C. In this way we can use pivot table to summarize data present in a table. Thank you.